This word communicable, communicate means when something moves from one person to the other. It could be through language or it could be through any other method. Communicable means which can communicate. So, there are some diseases also which spread from one person to another, and they are called communicable diseases or the infectious diseases. You see, when you define something, it has to be verbatim. In a definition, it is advisable that you do not change the words. So, whenever a definition is written, it is in inverted commas and you have to be very careful about the words. So, communicable diseases are those diseases that can spread from person to person. Now, there are many causes, or actually there are organisms which cause these diseases, and that is why they can spread from one person to another. So, these are called causative organisms. Like it can be bacteria, example is plague. It can be virus, example is jaundice, and many more. Fungi, skin diseases, and there can be also worms. Like some children develop worms in their digestive system, like tapeworm is there, roundworm is there, pinworm is there. So, these are some of the causative organisms which can cause many type of diseases which can be communicated from one person to the other.